Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I had a little extra bit of free time. I know I haven't posted for a while, but I did do a few other things to the car that I wanted to show you. So right here I added some tint to these lights. This is going to be the reverse light, I think, and this is the blinker light. You can see the tint right there. I'll post in the description where I got that from, because it is already a pre-cut material and you layer it over. I did try to do a video on installing this. Didn't really seem like it was anything I needed to post, because I mean it's pretty simple to apply, but I did that. And right down here, these used to be red, but I just took some window tint and placed it over and cut it out, placed it right there just in case anybody wanted that to theirs. And then another thing I did too was right in here, this light is normally solid whenever you step on the brakes, but I decided to go ahead and wire in a flasher, a third brake light flasher, and I will show that here in just a second. All right, so anyways, basically for that, what I had to do was get up underneath here, and once you're able to take this off, which I don't know if I want to do right now just because I got it all in here, but actually, yeah, what the hell, I'll go ahead and take it off. Anyway, so this piece basically will just pop off if you just push it forward. You want to push it towards you, but I didn't do a very good job, and as you can see, the tape has actually come off a little bit right here, but this is the little module unit that would cause this this light back here to go ahead and flash. And forgive me for my wiring job. I know it looks fucking absolutely terrible here, but it works and nothing's caught on fire, thank God. But anyways, that's what the little box looks like, and I will put a link to that in the description where you can purchase it. You can buy a couple different modes or types of boxes, ones that you can use with your phone, or just some of the similar ones like, or the simpler ones like this, which in order to get to flash either rapidly or slower, you would use with some of the connection tools that they provided you with. But it only costs a couple bucks, and I think it makes a world of a difference, especially if somebody's behind you and you want to make sure they're probably not going to try to hit your back end of your car. Having that couple extra red flashes might just grab their attention. But besides that, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on right now. Also, if you're wondering what this is a this is not the backup camera. This is actually a dash cam camera that I have wired through here. And what I actually did is I put it through here and went underneath the headliner a little bit right here, and I put it all along the inside of this, I believe. I think I managed to tuck it in here after getting it past a few points right here, but I managed to get it all the way up and then tucked in, and I have a dash cam on the other side, which I'll show you right here, which is right there. And that has been pretty good to me. I haven't had too many problems with this dash camera actually, but this car has had it's been doing pretty good so far. I can't really complain too much. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.